Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. This is process video number 137 and it's a double page layout. So I'm working with my homemade kit and I'm showing you some of the pattern papers that I plan on using. I also have two cardstocks here, white and the blue, sorry. So this layout was based off of a sketch from Scrapbook Generation, and I have more photos than the sketch called for, but I'm just kind of, working around it just to make sure it fits my needs. And that's what I love about sketches is that you don't have to follow it to a T. You can absolutely if you don't have the brain power to make your own, but then you can kind of switch it up. And what I love about this sketch is that the top one had a bunch of just papers on the top, which was perfect if you have scraps. But I also wanted to incorporate the frames that I pulled out for this particular homemade kit, and that's what I used for and that's what I incorporated as well on that top block. So that's just a bunch of papers cut up and then frames, and then I also stamped some flowers using the flower stamp that I pulled for this kit, and I used that pink Studio G's stamp set that you see on the top. Now the title, The Dream is Real, is a die cut from, I want to say it's a Dear Lizzie die cut that I got from Tuesday Morning, and I thought that the title was appropriate for this particular event. So a little bit about the pictures. My daughter, when she was fourth grade, joined their school's choir, and the choir had a recital in the spring, and it was held at the Pikes Peak Performing Center along with a bunch of other schools in the area. And so we each were given a free ticket, and then we could buy tickets, more tickets if we want to. But I just thought I took pictures of that, of course, when they were performing, and then I took a solo of my daughter with her choir shirt. But I thought that it was a really great program. They were able to get out of their comfort zone and also sing some interesting songs. So I am showing you this paper. I believe it's from Die Cuts with a View. It's I think it's gold foiled. Yeah, I don't think it's an embossed, but it's gold foiled and it has just a bunch of words. And I wanted to cut them up as kind of paper strips. And then I also am incorporating some star paper clips here. At first, I thought I was gonna tuck them in the photos and stuff, but I don't like them buckling underneath parts of the photo, so I'm just gonna put that on top of the pictures and then kind of add the word labels on there. Nothing is adhered yet, as you can see. I'm just kind of laying everything out. I wanted to see how it will all look, and then of course I'll adhere that. But there was a oh, I forgot what it's called. What you call that sign? Is it a bass clef? Huh, I totally forgot. My music teacher is going to be mad at me because I forgot about that. But there's a music note that was on that gold sticker sheet, foam sticker sheet, and so I added that there to, of course, emphasize to match with the theme of my layout. And then now I'm going to adhere everything. I actually, the papers, the pattern papers that I used, I inked up the edges of that with a pink ink pad, and so I'm going to make that stand out. So as you can also see, what I love about this page is that because it's very blocky, I can put the papers where I want it, and so I'm not really like wasting a lot of papers here as far as pattern papers is concerned. So I like that part as well. I also cut out a banner from the labels pack for Ellie Studio, and it has the sentiment was dream big, which I thought was appropriate for this particular layout as well. And now I'm adhering the flowers. I'm going to adhere them with some fun foam, and they're going to go on top of some of the frames. Not all the frames, but just some. So I hope that you're liking my videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because it will tell you when my video is live. And if you have any questions about this particular video or any videos that I have, make sure that you just leave it in the comment section below. And if you are interested in the seeing the materials that I pulled out for this particular kit, make sure that you also check out the description below. And I'm just finishing it all up. The journaling was pre-printed already, so it was cut into a block section, and that was easily added to the page. So now I have these small hearts that I'm going to sprinkle onto the page, and then I took a picture of the program where it had all of the names of the schools and then the names of the choir or of the singers and within the choir. And so I'm going to emphasize where my daughter's name was with some of the brackets there. Just trying to see if there's anything else that I could add. There's also a photo there where all of the people or the students were, and I wanted to emphasize her there, but I didn't have like an O or a circle, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And I do stamp the date after I stop the recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.